2, 1. Alright guys, got my Zino a little bit earlier than I thought it would, so we're going to do an unboxing here and see what comes in it. Oh yeah, by the way, Flying Brian Hutch, subscribe please. I ordered mine with a extra battery, hopefully it came with it. Got the controller here. Looks nice and everything. Spare parts box. Little screwdriver in here. Extra set of props. That's always good. So we've got all the phone connectors. 3 of them there. There's Lightning, micro USB, and C. And we got a USB to micro USB. The charger cable with the proprietary charger on it. So we'll have to see what we can do with that. Little charger. And the power brick that connects to the charger. Alright, only thing left is the Zino, it looks like. Don't look like we got our extra battery with it. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be. Go ahead and open her up here. I like the power button on it. Looks like it's a little bigger than a 501. We'll have to do some comparison videos. There's our battery. Maybe something in that box, not a battery though. So I'll have to get a hold of Hudson and see where my other battery is. Gimbal protector on here. Now we won't be able to fly today or anything. It's already dark out. It's rainy, windy, nasty where we live, so set this down here. Oh, there ain't nothing in that box. Oh well. Everything else is just packaging. It does have plastic bell housings on the motor. I gotta get me an SD card. Well, actually I have a couple, but I gotta clear one off. Looks good. Hopefully the app and everything works right. I have a Note 9, so I'm hoping the Android app is going to be working better now. Controller feels alright. Feels like the 501. Record button. Camera button. It's got to be your gimbal button. It don't keep rolling. Normal, sport. Looks like auto, take off and land, or return to home, power button. Now this should have a rechargeable battery in it also. Alright, YouTube. We'll get this one battery I got when I ordered two and see if we can get her up in the air and everything, and see if everything works right, and I have some more videos here later. I don't have a Mavic or anything like that to compare it to, or even a Spark, so I'm going to compare it to my 501. So, alright, thanks YouTube. Flying Brown Hutch, I'm out.